Coming to you from the state of Maryland, news, weather, traffic, and more. This is YouTube Recording News on YouTube Recording HD with Malcolm Oliver as a news reporter and a weather reporter. Welcome to the YouTube Recording News. So for today, we are going to be talking about the new CSX Heritage Unit Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis with the Locomotive 1851. NFL with Baltimore Ravens versus Dallas Cowboys. Earth will get a new moon, and Maryland Fall Preview of 2024. Before we get to that, let's do the weather, traffic, and the Maryland Lottery number updates. During the beginning of the fall in Maryland, it's going to be 71 degrees cloudy with the pollen of red hot are going to be very high, wind 6 miles per hour, humidity 82%, feels like 77 degrees, visibility 9.9 mile, UV index just 1, pressure 30 inch, and finally dew point 64 degrees. Notice it's going to be mostly cloudy around 77, but we're going to stick with the 70s with the cloudy. So as always during the fall forecast, so listen carefully. So tomorrow is going to be light rain showers around 71 degrees. And then Tuesday and Wednesday will be light rain. But Tuesday is going to be 70 and Wednesday 72. Light rain showers are going to be 77 on Thursday. And then partly sunny on Friday will be 78 degrees. And then mostly cloudy, 76 degrees. Here's the look at the latest Maryland Lottery number updates. Play the new Ravens scratch-off from the Maryland Lottery. You could win up to $200,000 instantly or enter the second chance promotion for chances to win $10,000 cash, Ravens season tickets, or seats for 20 years. New this year, get a chance to play Pass for Cash with former Ravens players or be named fan of the game. To learn more, go to mdlottery.com. We have unveiling a new CSX Heritage Unit, which is going to be Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis with the Locomotive 1851. It's a 19th Heritage Locomotive. It was released on September 17th on Tuesday. With an operating from 1851 to 1957, the NC&StL Railway was vital freight and passenger route connecting community across Tennessee and other southern states. It facilitated the movement of goods and people, boosting commerce and fostering community development along its routes. The railway strategy links between Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis significantly contribute to the urban and industrial growth of these cities, supporting industries such as agriculture, coal, and manufacturing. To honor the historical significance of the NC&StL Railway, CSX introduced the Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis Heritage locomotives This initiative is part of CSX broader program to preserve the legacy of railroads that are now part of its extensive network. Each heritage unit is carefully crafted to pay homage to the unique identity and history of its predecessor, featuring colors and designs reminiscent of the original rail lines. The last CSX Heritage Unit, which is going to be Clinch Field, is going to be releasing soon, and we're going to keep you up to date about it. And of course, if you'd like to be on the lookout for that Heritage Unit, head to the website at heritageunit.com, provided on the description below. The National Football League is going to be playing against the Baltimore Ravens versus Dallas Cowboys today at 4:25 p.m. right here on Baltimore's Fox 45. Good luck, Ravens fans, for winning. Earth is going to get a new moon on September 29th. It's a mini moon that is expected to go into an orbit of the Earth for a couple of months from September 29. PT5 is a near-Earth asteroid that's about to be captured by our planet for a short time before being released back into the solar system to orbit the sun. 2024 PT5 is a near-Earth asteroid and is 11 meters in diameter and about the same as 2 giraffes. It's known as an Arjuna asteroid, and its existence has been reviewed by the study published in the journal Research Notes of the American Astronomical Society. And finally, on this YouTube recording news, the fall officially begins today, as you already know by now. Many of the Maryland trees are changing colors earlier than usual this year due to drought. Marylanders can also expect to see more yellow and gold tones and fewer reds and purples. As you can see in the yellow, it's going to be changing in 5 counties: Garrett, Allegheny, Washington, Frederick, and Carroll. And of course, with the green, the rest of the counties where you live, it's no change. Go to news.maryland.gov/MDE on the description below for more info about the fall change and other stuff. Thanks for watching for this YouTube recording news. We do trust YouTube recording news, but we also trust, as always, WJZ, WBAL, WMAR, WBFF, and other stuff. So thanks so much for stopping by as always. Hope you ladies and gentlemen will have a great day and during the beginning of the fall.